OCRV in Anaheim, 07 Monaco Winsor. Common mistake that people make, and I've made it myself. Catch one of those yellow poles at the gas station or coming into a parking lot. Very unfortunate. This one got into it pretty good. Even pushed in the structure here all the way down the coach. So we've got the doors removed. We'll start repairing the substructure and the inner frame walls here. We're fabricating new doors. We actually do fabricate these doors in-house and build them. A lot of doors are not available anymore, and if they are, they can take months to get. So anyways, if we could help you with some repairs, paint, body, interior upgrades, service work, oil changes, we're your one-stop shop. We can help you at OCRV in Anaheim. That's OCRVCenter in Anaheim.